Welcome back. Before we get into the video, make sure you like and subscribe. And once we get to 1,000 subscribers, we'll start doing giveaways for y'all. Now, let's get into the video. So, today we're going to be talking about the Galaxy S20. And we did multiple videos talking about the high-end phones that came out after Samsung S20 or Samsung Galaxy S20. And we're probably going to be comparing them inside this video. So, there are 4 colors for Galaxy S20, and the colors are Cosmic Gray, Cloud Blue, Cloud Pink, and Cloud White. And the size of the Samsung Galaxy S20 is 6.2, and the biggest phone is the Samsung S20 Ultra, and that's 6.9. The weight of the Samsung Galaxy S20 is 163 grams, and then the Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra is 220 grams. So the Samsung Galaxy S20 has AMOLED display, Quad HD, and it has 120 refresh rate support. And the front camera, it has a 10 megapixel selfie camera, dual pixel, and the FOV is 80. Most of the phones, like the Samsung Galaxy S20 and the Samsung Galaxy S20 Plus 5G, they're technically the same phone. And then when you go to Galaxy S20 Ultra, it's a 40 megapixel selfie camera. And that's different from the low-end phones that they put out before the phone. So then there are 3 cameras on the back: 12 megapixel ultra wide camera, 12 megapixel wide angle camera, and 64 megapixel telephoto camera. And this is the only phone that has 3 cameras compared to the other phones. So if you want multiple cameras to stream videos, then I think you should probably pick like the Samsung Galaxy S20 Plus 5G or the Galaxy S20 Ultra 5G. And Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra is the only one that can do space zoom, that can zoom up 10 times or super resolution zoom up to 100 times. So most of the cameras, or all of the cameras, are able to have camera modes like single take, photo, video, pro, panorama, food, night, live focus video, pro video, super slow-mo, slow motion, and hyperlapse. The resolution of a video can be 8K, but you can only stream the video at 24 FPS. But you can do 4K video, Ultra HD video recording at 60 FPS. You could do a 1080p video at 60 FPS and a 720 HD video at 30 FPS. So you can shoot a video with, I think it's a camera mode, and it's called super steady. So like you can legit be like running around or purposely moving the camera as quick as possible, like left and right. And you can see how sturdy the camera is no matter how quick you go. And the super slow-mo, you can do at 720p, and it supports 960 frames per second. The slow motion is 1080p and supports 240 frames per second. And hyperlapse support 1080p. You can record at ultra definition. The battery for the S20 is 4,000 milliamps. The Galaxy S20 Plus 5G is 5,500 milliamps, and the Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra is 5,000 milliamps. So the Samsung Galaxy S20 has 12 gigabytes of RAM with 128 gigabyte internal storage. And the other 2 phones, the Samsung Galaxy S20 Plus 5G and the Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra, they both have 3 different options. It's either 120, 256, or 512 gigabytes. I think you can. No, I don't think so. I don't think you can upgrade your phone to get higher data. But so on the back phone, and either in the front of the phone or on the back of the phone where 3 of the cameras are, there have ultrasonic fingerprint. Oh, that's on the front, the fingerprint sensor. The proximity sensor is probably in the back, and the RGB light sensor is probably in the back, so you can have a better quality video and able to see all the colors and all the sharpness with your video. And the last thing we're going to talk about is that you can put video for your wallpaper, but it can only be 15 seconds. It's like a GIF, so you can't have a 30-minute video playing for your wallpaper. It can only be 15 seconds. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure you like and subscribe. And once we get to 1,000 subscribers, we'll start doing giveaways for y'all. Now, let's get into the video. How am I gonna do that?
Now let's get into the video.
I'm gonna restart. I ain't gonna restart. I'm just gonna.
You're gonna cut that out?
Yeah, I'm gonna cut that out.
I get messed up.
Hold up, be quiet. So that's all we have for today. So make sure you like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. See ya.